Breathing exercise, part 1. Relaxed breathing. Switch off your daily life. Starting from now, this time is just for breathing. Close your eyes. Relax completely. Release all your physical tensions. Release all your emotions. Release all your thoughts. Now you are completely relaxed, freed from all your personal matters. It is a time to nourish your body by breathing. You are now completely released from your daily emotions, thoughts, and activities. Just simply put all your attention on your breathing and be aware that you are breathing now. Feel your entire chest relax. Without focusing on the material heart organ, and feel the rhythm of your heartbeat. That is your pulse of life. You are living now. Following this rhythm, find your comfortable length of the breathing. Make your inhalation and exhalation in the same rhythm, just like smooth flowing water. Breathe in and out without a pause. Inhale slowly from your nose. When you inhale air, you also inhale etheric vitality. In air, there is plenty of etheric vitality, the life force. Together with air, welcome this life energy into your body. It fills up the bottom of the lungs as your abdomen expands, then fills up the middle part of your lungs, and finally fills the top of your lungs. Then without any pause or holding the breath, naturally exhale slowly through your mouth in the same procedure. Starting also from the bottom of the lungs as your abdomen draws in, then the middle of the lungs, and finally the top of the lungs. Repeat this simple breathing consciously and rhythmically. Your body is getting more and more relaxed. Each time you inhale, the more etheric vitality, the life force in the atmosphere comes into your body. Each time you exhale, only the air and all negative energies go out from your body. So the more you breathe, the more your body is cleansed and life energy is accumulated in your body. See your body radiating beautifully in the white light energy. Feel your body energized and strong. You feel so relaxed and balanced. The etheric vitality is the true nutrition for your bodies. Wherever you are, you can receive it from your environment by breathing in this way. Take your time, enjoy nourishing your body with the life force for a while. Now come back to the present environment and slowly turn on the switch of your personal life again.